Hello children, good morning. Hope you all are good.
Drive Vixen round the village.
Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Ooh. Let's do again. Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Ooh. Okay. Did you got it? If you haven't, we will do one more time. Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Drive Vixen round the village. Ooh. Okay, so now let's do without music. Okay, now we will sing together, you and me. Okay, so the lyrics is, first let me tell you the lyrics. Lyrics is drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Okay, so now we will sing together. Okay, so here it goes. 1, 2, 3. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Ooh. Okay, one more time. Okay, so let's do again. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Ooh.
Now children, for the phonic 5 picture book, okay, you need to take this book out. Now we will read out the vocabulary words. Okay, so you will take this book out and we will turn on to the page number 24. Can you see the page number? Yes, page number 24, and these are all the related pictures and vocabulary of the sound. Okay, so we will read it out together. Okay, so it's a violin. 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 Okay, it's an instrument, music instrument. Next is van. 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 Next is vulture. 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 Vulture is a bird. Vegetables. Vegetables. Say with me, vegetables. Vegetables. So lastly we have vase. Flower vase. 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 So let's read again. Violin. Say with me, violin. Van. Van. Vulture. Vulture. Vegetables. Vegetables. Vase. Vase. So children, you need to read these pictures, okay? And you need to memorize it. Okay. Okay children, now take your book Skills in Writing English, small letters, and then turn on to the page number 47. Okay, so here we will do an activity. Okay. So what we have to do is we need to match the letters to the picture they begin with. Okay, so we will just match the pictures with the v sound. Okay, so this we have the V sound here, and we will search for the pictures related to it and we will match it according to the sound. Okay, so let's start. So these are all the pictures, and now we will do our activity. So the first picture is when. Does it start with V? Yes. So we will match with V sound. Next is vegetables. V, vegetables. So we will match with the V sound. Next is uniform. Yes, it's not starting with V sound. Next is vase, flower vase. So it's starting with V. So we will match it with the V sound. Next is violin. Is it starting with V sound? Yes. So we will match with the V sound. Next is utensils. Okay, so it's not starting with V sound, so we will not match. And lastly, we have umbrella. So it's also not starting with V sound. So you need to do this activity in your textbook. Now for the homework, kids, you need to take my first writing book, Small Letters. Okay, you will take this book out and then you will turn on to the page number 51. Okay, page number 51, and here what you need to do is you need to trace and write the V sound. Okay, with sound, V sound. So first line is dotted lines, so we will write the V sound on the dots, and from the second line we will write without dots. Okay, so you need to remember that you need to make the formation very correct. Okay, because it's very important, and you must remember that your V sound will come between the two blue lines. Okay, so let's make the V sound. Okay, children, so you need to make the correct formation. I'm telling you again. Okay, so this page you need to do for your homework. Okay, you can do the half page if you are tired, and later on when you are okay, you can do the half page also. Thank you for watching.